Hello and welcome to my channel Roha's Art. Today I'm gonna paint a beautiful abstract and share a sad love story about Jake and Lucy. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Jake who was head over heels for his high school sweetheart, Lucy. They had been together since they were in middle school and were deeply in love. They shared many special moments together, from late-night movie dates to romantic walks in the park. But a lot had changed since they were in middle school. Lucy's parents had gone through a difficult divorce, and she was struggling to cope. She began pushing Jake away, slowly distancing herself from him. Jake was heartbroken, but he was determined to get her back, no matter what it took. He tried to reach out to her, but it seemed like nothing could bring her back. Eventually, Lucy moved away, and Jake was left to face his heartbreak alone. Time passed, and he was eventually able to move on. But months later, as he was going through his old pictures, he stumbled upon a picture of Lucy and himself in the park during their first date. This was the moment he realized that the love of his life had been right there in front of him, and now she was gone. The pain of his loss was strong, but it also reminded him of what true love felt like. That love will remain with him forever. This is the story of Jake and Lucy, a sad love story that has touched many. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and don't miss any of my videos.